garlic toast with lemon tea, starfruit soup with red snapper, in Tagalog, bisugo, bisugo, red snapper wild caught, all natural, with starfruit. You see there in the shape of a star. Come on and eat. Happy cooking. Starfruit soup, or in the Tagalog language, Sinigang sa Kamyas. Starfruit is Kamyas, Kamyas in the Tagalog language. I love to spell because I'm a school teacher here in the USA, where I am. I'm excited. New York City schools, and I wrote a book, more than 15 books. The first one is Speak Tagalog as well, and more delicious food recipes in this gorgeous cookbook, Mom and Chef Nanay Nene Teodora of Philippines Cuisine. Cookbook recipes available worldwide online in ebook, Kindle, paperback formats, and at my website, author central page at Amazon, Juanita Gutierrez, and also at my website, juanitagutierrez.com, Xlibris, eBay, Etsy, Barnes & Nobles, and our online stores. My mom is the first woman ever elected public official in our hometown, and a top-notcher at that. Proposed and founded the only public high school where I, her daughter, yes, that's me speaking to you over the video, Juanita Gutierrez, first taught as a new school teacher and was unanimously elected the youngest teacher association president before I moved to the city of Manila to be the English professor at the University of the East, where I and my siblings studied from elementary, high school, all the way to college. Love and gratitude to my mom and dad. My dad is a USA stenographer typist at the airport, and also twice elected town leader, a top-notcher, and approved the public school budget that my mom has proposed and founded with other officials. And my mom and dad used to own a yacht at a huge fishing boat named after St. Anthony because St. Anthony saved them when they were newlyweds, my future parents. And I wrote all these miracles in my book, Missing People, Animals, Things. Go to Anthony and you will find all those on Amazon and worldwide. Let's enjoy this delightful cookbook as well, and healthy food recipes of my beloved mom. And we have starfruit soup with our garlic toast and lemon tea. Come on and eat. You're all invited at my table. Yum. Happy cooking. Happy dining. Enjoy life. Enjoy this starfruit soup, Sinigang sa Kamyas in Tagalog language. Starfruit, yum, so heavenly delicious. This side of heaven. Come on and eat. You're all invited.